Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatifani binti Mohamed from KAM2284A and my matriculation number is 20184367 and 78. So, I'm here to present the fundamental process of the knowledge management in the Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad. So, here we go. I will start with a little bit background about the Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad. Okay, Mydin operates the business based on the halal concept and practice honesty, sincerity, and good discipline in all aspects of its business. And also, the company vision is want to be the world-leading distributor of the competitive halal goods and service. The mission is want to be the leading wholesale and retail company by providing the best value, wide assortment of a good and continuously based on the business formula. And I will move to the implementation of the fundamental process knowledge management in the Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad. Okay, first is the knowledge acquisition. Knowledge acquisition, or also known as the K acquisition, is the process of development and creation of the insight, skills, and relationship. They use the external sources. External sources for the Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad are the customer, competitors, suppliers, and partner. Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad uses the customer as the sources in the knowledge acquisition. They are getting feedback, collecting, and processing marketing related to the information, suggestion, involvement in development or design. Mydin benefit from the larger customer base due to its wide range of the product. And also, customer is very important to the Mydin. They always need to take care of it. They always provide a good quality to attract the customer to be loyal to their product. And also, Mydin sell the product with the lower price and affordable price to the customer. To fulfill the demand and the need of the customer, Mydin are located in the multiple locations. The city center and parent quarter for the official workers who want to shop either during the lunch break or after the office. And the other place, the current trend is to place the store in the area that are accessible to homeowners and traders, such as small residential towns. And I will move to the second external sources, which is the suppliers and partners. For the Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad, they have a good relationship with the Global Halal Data Pool (GHDP) to improve the efficiency of its supply chain. Through GHDP, Mydin will be connected directly to not only to the accredited halal supplier but the real-time company and product information. With GHDP, what Mydin have is the digital hub, which is where product information, protocol, and standard and logistics come under one consolidated platform, giving user instant performance and also all the tools needed to introduce product to the new markets. Is the competitor. Competitor is the rival. The competitor Mydin is the Tesco and other hypermarkets in the Malaysia. To Mydin differentiate themselves from the competitor, Mydin had to redefine the value that it brings to the customer. Mydin brand name signifies to the convenience, quality, and value for the money. They use information and communication technology (ICT) to achieve this goal. Mydin choose Allied Telesis to increase efficiency in the IT. Allied Telesis propose an end-to-end trick network with advanced functionality and ensure the high availability, easy management, and security, and reach the performance level that meet Mydin business objective.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shazlina binti Nurizam. I am from KAM2284A and my matric number is 2018676716. So today I will explain about cash sharing part that include in our business that we choose, Mydin. So cash sharing can define as the act or share or exchange informations between others or exchange understanding between others such as individuals, teams, organizations or communities. Okay, Next, Mydin had applied cash sharing in his business, which is he has a partnership with Global Halal Data Pool, which is GHDP, to be qualified as a halal product. Okay, also Mydin cooperate with Jakim to make sure his product is in good quality and based on Islamic perspective. This show to us that Mydin always share the knowledge to the others, and the others always want to share the knowledge to their business. So the Mydin also want to break away from the stereotype and encourage non-Muslim to purchase in Muslim store. So Mydin, the second point is also Dato' Amir share his knowledge to workers that the leader must be willing to change and adapt to the current need and requirements. This means that they need to be a good leader to the workers. For example, he also take time to hear all problem and suggestions from his employees and employer. Also, Dr. Amir always apply a marketing philosophy to his daily life. Okay, we can see his excellence from communications and public relations skill. This show to us that Dr. Ahmed not just share the knowledge that he has to the others, but also he take the knowledge or philosophy from others to his daily life. From for example, from experts persons. Okay, next, this shows to us that he is a very open-minded. Also that Mydin is interest to have a relationship with Zurich Takaful to provide a quality halal product and service to the customer. Also Mydin train their employee to be a better person in future to handle the business. He want they able to improve their interpersonal skills and individuals performance, such as communications. So as a conclusions, we can see that Dr. Ahmed, as a executive of Mydin, is open-minded to share his knowledge to others, as they could be a better leader for the next time. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alif Farisa binti Ishaq from KAM2284A. My metric number is 2018635372. I want to explain about knowledge utilization in Mydin Mohamed Holdings Berhad. Knowledge utilization can be defined as knowledge application on real-life situations. Knowledge can only be utilized if it is successfully acquired and shared between individuals in a particular context. Knowledge that is successfully converted is utilized or applied to enhance business performance. Managing Director of Mydin Mohamed Holdings Berhad, Dato' Amir Ali Mydin, states in the Star Online News that having experience worked in a bank prior to taking on the family business helped sharpen his business acumen, which working with a bank helped him a lot in running his family business, such as hone his skills in managing cash flow. So working in a bank for a while has benefited him in running the Mydin business. Furthermore, Mydin always listen and share opinion with their staff on how to know which products is high demand by the customer. Through this strategy, Mydin get to know which product they need to reorder more and less. This action also can control their inventory. In order to cater different market segments, such as lower to upper class consumers, different customer group, ethnic and nationalities, Mydin had come up with a portfolio of different business formats, such as the hypermarkets, emporiums, convenience stores, and mini markets that proved to be extremely successful. Moreover, in order to get recognition among the customer, Mydin has been aggressively in promoting their store. Mydin promote and advertise through social media and newspaper. Mydin also involved in online marketing or e-commerce with setting up their own website. This can help Mydin to boost the revenues by providing easier and more accessible purchasing approach to its customer. In addition, having the right technology is the key that allows a business to grow faster, generate profit, and successfully compete in the global competition. To cater these ever-changing needs, Mydin has decided to use a lot of software systems that can help the organization to continuously operate in the industry. As Mydin grows, the business may be affected by overtrading due to stock filling. This situation can increase costs and later absorb on the price of product. Hence, Mydin decide on Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail to apply just-in-time stock management. The software provides information for its suppliers and decision makers so that the distribution of stocks runs smoothly from store to supply chains. By this, Mydin can be more responsive to its customer, reduce their break-even point, and improve cash flow and the working capital cycle. Consequently, provide competitive advantage towards its rival. Besides that, Mydin interfere coordination problem of its managers as the business grow, hierarchical, taller, and wider span of control. Communication across the organizational structure will become time-consuming and in certain cases may be distorted. To overcome this, Mydin decide on Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007 that allows massive information to be provided to all layers of the organization and its suppliers. Other than that, Mydin use transaction processing system in the electronic point of sale system. TPS is a type of information system that collects, store, modifies, and retrieve the data transactions of an enterprise. Nowadays, the field of transaction processing has become a vital part of effective business management because the success of commercial enterprise like Mydin much depends on the reliable processing of transaction to ensure the customer orders are met on time, partners and suppliers are paid and can make payment. While ecosystem is the place where their customer executes the payment for goods or service bought from their organization. It is a combination of software and hardware that allows merchants to take transaction and simplify key day-to-day business operations. These systems can barcodes and communicate with in-house system. The in-house system record all data of transaction and stock which needs to be reordered probably in a batch system which can be transferred to the mainframe at the end of the day. Lastly, when selecting a vendor to upgrade the network, Mydin's main key criteria were high value, excellent customer support, and open and direct communication with the network vendor. After going through selection process, Mydin chose Allied Telesis, a global IP network solution leader. Allied Telesis proposed end-to-end layer 3 network with advanced functionality that ensure high availability, easy management, and security, and with performance level that meet Mydin business main objective. Core IP routing with advanced flexible policy-based quality of service, rich multicast support, and a comprehensive set of control features simplifies administration and maintenance tasks. The design incorporates efficient delivery of all data from Mydin's converged system and applications. The Allied Telesis solution has proved to be a wise choice for the organization. Mydin started to see an immediate improvement in its network performance. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shamshazwani binti Damrisham, and I would like to explain about the evaluation and the challenges toward Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad. Mydin Hypermarket will apply knowledge management to assist the business create, share, and use the knowledge efficiently. There are many benefits obtained by Mydin Hypermarket from the knowledge management implementations. For instance, improve client service, boost income, and enhance worker degree of consistency. Besides the advantages of the knowledge management, Mydin Mohamed are also facing with the challenges. So the first challenges faced by the Mydin Mohamed is to implement a multiple network convergence digital system and applications. Mydin recognizes the top priority, which is to make sure the consistent flow of communications in the supply chains network, from the suppliers to logistics and warehouse to the lower staff and the management team. It's become challenging to Mydin Mohamed Holding Berhad to make sure communication with each other so untie and link all the systems together. The company's previous network also could not support the complexity of the system. Heavy costs and extra resources were needed to reconcile the issue faced by the employees and the customers. Second challenge faced by Mydin in implementing knowledge management is organizational culture. In Mydin Mohamed Holdings, the foremost debatable issue within the challenges of knowledge management execution is that the culture of data sharing between the workers. Mydin workers are still reluctant to share knowledge with each other, and changing their behavior is not easy. Quiet, the explanations to the present problem are often the absence of the trust among Mydin workers, deficient time, and the absence of acknowledgement of the latest thought. The refusal of arrangements from the individual from lower position thus can adversely influence knowledge sharing procedure. So the last challenge faced the Mydin Mohamed in implementing knowledge management is keeping update to the foremost recent technology. As a retail company, one among the foremost important systems is that company asset tracking and inventory system. Instead, the corporate had relied heavily over judgment from its top management. Mydin company was inability to adopt fully the technology to the foremost recent one. Mydin hypermarket also competing less on the thought of tangible assets and more on the thought of intangible assets. The commitment and the investment Mydin Mohamed Holdings will make in knowledge management will dictate the corporate sustain within the markets. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Adibah binti Muhammad Amran. Today I will explain about suggestion and conclusion. Okay, suggestion that Mydin needs to innovate for continuous improvement. The first one is develop more of its own brand. Mydin has developed its own brand for some selected merchandise and product that sold in the store. But Mydin need to develop more their own brands and produce product by their company itself. Their own brand can create more benefit and trust of consumer. This is because consumers strongly believe in Mydin brands and Mydin products supported by the halal concepts. And second suggestion is understanding what the consumer needs or customer needs. Mydin has two groups of consumers, which is entrepreneurs from small grocers, hardware stores, stationery shops, clothes boutiques, and others medium-scale enterprise that play an important role in spurring entrepreneurship activity like other retailers who accomplish economics of scale. A reason why the Mydin need to understand the consumer is to fulfill needed of consumers. When Mydin fulfill what the customer needs, it also can attract customer to come and buy things at the Mydin hypermarket. And the third suggestion is to increase multiple locations. Mydin store are located in multiple locations, especially at the city center, which is for office workers who may want to shop either during their lunch break or after office hours. Mydin outlets are also open in less developed states where competition was close to nil and where costs were extremely low. Diversifying location can attract a lot of customers. Mydin need to increase located their outlets at the strategic place. These multiple locations at strategic places can attract more customers to come shopping at your hypermarket, and this is also can increase profit of Mydin hypermarket. And the conclusion is Mydin's business activity is retail and wholesaling. Mydin operates its business supported halal concept and practice honesty, sincerity, and good discipline altogether aspects of its business. Their company vision is to be the world's leading distributor of competitive halal goods and services. The Mydin mission is aimed to be the leading wholesale and retail company by providing the best value, wide assortment of products, and continuous excellence based on their business formula. Mydin hypermarket apply knowledge management to manage their business strategies effectively. There are three implementation of knowledge management process in Mydin, which is knowledge acquisition, knowledge sharing, and knowledge utilization. And Mydin also face challenges of the implementation of knowledge management in their business. Mydin hypermarket also needs implementing the suggestions for better and continuous improvements. The continuous improvement can make Mydin hypermarket be more competitive and success in the future, which is not only in the Malaysia and also at the worldwide. Thank you.